Hello students, today we are going to learn the lesson 2.2 The Lion, the Man and the Statue. This is a story of a lion, a man and a statue. Statue म्हणजे पुतळा. Long ago म्हणजे फार फार वर्षांपूर्वी. Men and animals could talk to each other. फार फार वर्षांपूर्वी माणसे व प्राणी एकमेकांशी बोलत असत. Once a man and a lion got talking. एकदा एक मनुष्य आणि एक सिंह बोलू लागले. The lion was very proud of his strength. Strength म्हणजे ताकद, शक्ती. त्या सिंहाला आपल्या शक्तीचा खूप गर्व होता. I am the king of beasts. Beast म्हणजे पशु. मी पशूंचा राजा आहे. I am stronger than any man. मी कोणत्याही मनुष्यापेक्षा ताकदवान आहे. That is why men fear me. म्हणूनच माणसे मला घाबरतात. The man was also proud of his intelligence. त्या मनुष्याला सुद्धा आपल्या बुद्धिमत्तेचा गर्व होता. Don't forget that men are more intelligent than you are. That is why they can hunt you or capture you. तो म्हणाला, तुमच्यापेक्षा माणसे अधिक बुद्धिमान असतात. हे विसरू नको. म्हणूनच ती तुमची शिकार करतात किंवा तुम्हाला बंदिस्त करतात. हंट म्हणजे शिकार करणे आणि कॅप्चर म्हणजे बंदिस्त करणे. They both began to argue about who was greater. आर्ग्यू म्हणजे वाद घालणे. त्यांच्यापैकी अधिक मोठे कोण याविषयी ते दोघे वाद घालू लागले. At last, शेवटी, the man took the lion to a statue in a big garden. अखेरीस त्या माणसाने त्या सिंहाला एका मोठ्या बागेतील पुतळ्याकडे नेले. It showed the great hero Hercules standing proudly with a dead lion at his feet. एक महान योद्धा हर्क्युलस त्या पुतळ्यात मोठ्या अभिमानाने उभा होता व एक मृत सिंह त्याच्या पावलांशी पडलेला दाखवला होता. See, this statue proves that men are greater, claimed the man. आता त्या माणसाने दावा केला. बघ, माणसे अधिक महान आहेत. हा पुतळा हे सिद्ध करतो. Not at all, the lion replied quickly. सिंह लगेच उत्तरला, मुळीच नाही. This only shows that the statue was made by a man. If lions made statues, they would show the lion standing and the man lying dead under his paws. तो पुतळा माणसाने तयार केलेला होता. हेच फक्त तो पुतळा दर्शवतो. सिंहाने पुतळे तयार केले असते तर त्यांनी सिंह उभा राहिलेला आणि माणूस त्याच्या पंजांशी मरून पडलेला दाखवला असता. From this story, we can see that the story depends on the storyteller. When someone else tells the same story, they tell it from their point of view. या गोष्टीवरून कोणतीही गोष्ट सांगणाऱ्या व्यक्तीवर अवलंबून असते हे लक्षात येते. तीच गोष्ट दुसऱ्या कोणी सांगितली असती तर ती त्यांनी त्यांच्या दृष्टिकोनातून सांगितली असती. Now let's see the pointers. Question first. Listen carefully to find the answers from the story. First, who speaks first in the story? The lion. What was the lion proud of? His strength. What was the man proud of? His intelligence. What did the man show to the lion? A statue. Who speaks last in the story? The lion. Now, second question is, read the story aloud along with the teacher. ती गोष्ट शिक्षकांपाठोपाठ वाचा. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, टेल द स्टोरी इन शॉर्ट इन युअर मदर टंग. ही गोष्ट तुमच्या मातृभाषेत थोडक्यात सांगा. क्वेश्चन 4, टेल द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इन युअर मदर टंग. कोणतीही गोष्ट ही गोष्ट सांगणाऱ्या व्यक्तीवर अवलंबून असते. क्वेश्चन 5, find two words beginning with PR from the story and guess the meaning of each. प्राऊड म्हणजे अभिमानी, प्रूव्ज म्हणजे सिद्ध करतो. Now question 6. We learn two things indirectly from the story. Find and write the sentences which tell us that A. Men and animals cannot talk to each other now. Long ago, men and animals could talk to each other. B. Lions do not make statues. If lions made statues, they would show the lion standing and the man lying dead under his paws. Question 7. Read the text and write what the speakers will say. Raju thinks it's fun to pull his puppy's tail. Raju says, "It's fun to pull my puppy's tail." Roma's granny thinks Roma should wear a sari for festivals. Roma's granny says Roma should wear a sari for festivals. The teacher gave a surprise test to students. Some of them found it difficult. Students say some of us have found a surprise test difficult. A leopard wandered into a city. A big part of a forest near that city had been cut down to build a city. A leopard says, "I wander into a city because a big part of a forest near that city has been cut down to build a city." Question 8. Use your imagination to complete the following. A. The mango was raw. That is why I didn't eat the mango. B. The camel could not slip away from the sugarcane field. That is why the farmer beat the camel. C. The bees on the tree began to sting him. That is why the monkey jumped into the lake. He wanted to study human body parts. That is why Nujo visited the earth. Now last, the dog beat the madman. That is why he also beat the dog. Question 9. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. A. Once a man and a lion got talking. Nouns: a man, lion. B. I am the king of beasts. Nouns: king, beasts. C. At last, the man took the lion to a statue in a big garden. Nouns: man, lion, statue, garden. Now use each noun to write a meaningful phrase and sentence. Example: man, a young man. A young man was riding a bike. A lion, a strong lion. We saw a strong lion in the forest. King, the brave king. The brave king won a battle. Beast, the wild beast. The wild beasts are sometimes dangerous. The man, an honest man. An honest man always speaks truth. The lion, the old lion. The old lion was hungry. Statue, a beautiful statue. There was a beautiful statue in the museum. Garden, a green garden. Yesterday we visited a green garden. Now question 10. Read the following words aloud. Note the last letter and say the last sound. Make one many pairs as shown by adding yes at the end of the word. Examples: job, jobs, cube, cubes, cock, cocks, dog, dogs, map, maps, kid, kids, shell, shells, car, cars, file, files, dream, dreams, bat, bats, tree, trees, train, trains, paw, paws. Make one many pairs as shown by adding es at the end of the word. Examples: bus, buses, bush, bushes, class, classes, glass, glasses, dress, dresses, brush, brushes, dash, dashes, dish, dishes, eyelash, eyelashes, match, matches, branch, branches, bunch, bunches, fox, foxes, box, boxes. Question 11. Read the following sentences. Use the ideas in each box to make similar sentences. I am stronger than any man. First, a lion is bigger than a mouse. A mouse is smaller than a lion. Second, two trees are taller than the other trees. Two trees are shorter than the other trees. Third, the sun is brighter than the moon. Fourth, a stone is harder than a brick. Now, men are more intelligent than you are. These two books are more interesting than the other books. These two butterflies are more colorful than those butterflies. In this way, you have to complete the pointers in your notebook.